In this video I'll be making this Irish Flag Shamrock. It's a quick and easy project. Using spray adhesive, I attach the shamrock cutout to a piece of plywood, then cut the shamrock out on the bandsaw. After it was cut out, I removed the paper and then I shaped it using files and sandpaper. Now it's time for painting. I painted the middle white section first, let it dry, then using painter's tape, I sectioned off the green and the orange parts. To avoid the paint from bleeding under the tape, so you can get crisp straight lines, paint the current color along the edge of the tape. Your brush stroke should be perpendicular to the edge of the tape. This will force paint under the tape, creating a seal. Once that paint dries, then you can paint the other colors. When you remove the tape, you'll be happy with the results.